So for this first question, we are being asked to create an exponential equation. It asks, at a local community park in 2019, the population of birds are declining by 5% every year. Declining by 5%. The park currently has 250 birds. Create an equation accurately describing the populations of birds, f of x years after 2019. All right, so let's look at the things we know. We know that it's declining by 5%. So what do? We subtract 1 minus 0.05 since we're declining. And that gives you a percent of 0.95. Now this is what it's going to be in our exponent part of the equation. Now we know that the park currently has 250 birds. And it's asking us to find how many birds would be there X amount of years after 2019. So we set that up with the current population that we have, which is 2050. And then our exponent, we would have 0.95 times x. X representing the years and 0.95 representing the amount that it's going to decrease by every year. And put the function sign, and that's your answer. For the next part, is asking us to create a linear equation using the table. Since I'm a visual learner, I like to graph this stuff out. So I'm going to just draw a quick little graph here. We look at the points, -2, 2. Put a point there. -1, 4. Put a point there. 0, 6. Put a point there. 1, 8. Put a point there, and so forth. This will give me enough to know my y-intercept and my slope. But in this question, it's just asking us to create a linear equation. So the two things we need for that is the slope and the y-intercept. So looking at the graph and the table, we can see that it rises by 2 every point, so +2, +2, and it runs by 1, +1, +1, +1. You can also see that in the graph where it goes up 2, 1, 2, and over 1, 1, 2, over 1, 1, 2, over 1. So that lets us know that our slope can be represented as 2x. And what's our y-intercept? Well, the y-intercept is when it crosses the y-axis, and we know that it crosses the y-axis at 0, 6. You can see that on the table right here, it crosses the y at 0, 6, and we could also see that on our graph. Therefore, our y-intercept would be 6, giving us the linear equation of 2x plus 6.